Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. GitHub Copilot now includes Google's Gemini 3 Flash across all major IDEs, delivering a blazing fast AI assistant that scores 78% on SWE Bench for agentic coding, which means it can autonomously fix bugs. Cursor's new dynamic context. Discovery cuts AI agent token usage by 47% by letting agents pull only the context they need from files on demand, making MCP connections to tools like Notion and Figma way more efficient. vLLM just went multimodal. Their new 0.12.0RC1 serves images, video, and audio through OpenAI-compatible APIs and accelerates diffusion models with Tcache, which reuses computations between generation steps for faster inference. New research just open-sourced NousCoder-14B, a model that scores nearly 68% on live code bench Olympiad challenges. For the first time, they're also releasing the complete reinforcement learning training stack, making it fully reproducible. NVIDIA and the Llama.cpp team just made MoE models, short for Mixture of Experts. AI that only use part of their brain per token run 35% faster on RTX PCs and the new DGX Spark. Lightricks just open-sourced LTX2, a 19 billion parameter diffusion transformer that generates synchronized 4K video and audio up to 20 seconds long. Think of it as a production-ready alternative to closed systems like Runway, but one you can actually run on your own hardware. Liquid AI's new LFM 2.5 packs. A 1.2 billion parameter AI into your pocket, running text, vision, and speech tasks entirely on-device at over 100 tokens per second. It's trained on a record 28 trillion tokens, letting it outperform much larger models while keeping your data private. Qualcomm's Snapdragon X2 Plus packs an 80 TOPS AI engine into $800 mainstream laptops, meaning 80 trillion AI operations per second, plus 35% faster CPUs and 43% better battery life. xAI just raised a record $20 billion to expand Colossus, their million GPU supercomputer in Memphis. Those GPUs, graphics processing units, the chips that power AI, are already training Grok 5. NVIDIA just launched the Jetson T4000, squeezing Blackwell architecture into a 70-watt edge module that hits 1,200 trillion AI operations per second. That's twice the brainpower of Jetson AGX Orin for $1,099. Microsoft Azure and Ubuntu just went all in on NVIDIA's Rubin platform, with liquid-cooled data centers ready for 72 GPU racks that deliver 5x faster AI inference at 1/10 the cost. This means massive AI factories can launch in 2026 without those billion-dollar retrofits. Developers can now build apps with Apple's on-device AI using the Foundation Models framework, tapping into a 3 billion parameter language model that generates structured data and calls tools privately on Apple Silicon. OpenRouter now auto-routes. Claude code prompts to the best AI model for free. You can filter which models it uses with wildcards like Anthropic Star to only pick Anthropic models. Researchers at NTU Singapore just open-sourced Neo, a native vision language model that ditches separate vision encoders and achieves state-of-the-art results with just 390 million training examples, about 10 times less than competitors. Meta's neural band for Ray-Ban smart glasses uses EMG to read your wrist's muscle signals and lets you write messages on any surface, even your leg. It's the first wrist device that turns thin air handwriting into real texts without touching your phone. That's it for today's Daily Epic AI news. Come back tomorrow for more industry updates.